CHO11, he can still run a full marathon in his 80s. Why choose Nutrilite? His son Sam Rehnborg has eaten this nutritional food since he was a child in 1936 and is now over 80 years old. He can still run a full marathon in his 80s. Nutrilite Key Points Summary 1. Origins and Legacy. Founded by Carl Rehnborg 1934, inspired by his observations in China about nutrition's impact on health. His son Sam Rehnborg has used Nutrilite products since childhood and remains healthy into his 80s, even running marathons. 2. Commitment to health. Nutrilite was developed to focus on our natural nutrients rather than profit, earning a reputation for benefiting the US and the world. 3. Research and innovation. Nutrilite has a robust scientific foundation, over 190 patents, a global research network, and a specialized nutrition and health research center. The Amway Randi Center supports product development with leading experts. 4. Safety and quality. Nutrilite applies pharmaceutical-level safety standards to its health foods, including toxicology studies uncommon in the industry. 5. Olympic collaboration. Nutrilite products are trusted by Olympic athletes for their safety and high standards, meeting strict international regulations. 6. Herbal and genetic research. Nutrilite is at the forefront of Chinese herbal medicine research, participating in national-level projects like 13th Five-Year Plan and conducting genetic studies. 7. Difference from pharmacy vitamins. Nutrilite products use natural sources such as brewer's yeast for B vitamins, distinguishing them from synthetic vitamin drugs sold in pharmacies. These points highlight Nutrilite's deep-rooted history, dedication to research, and unwavering focus on product safety and effectiveness. Detailed version. His son Sam Rehnborg has eaten this nutritional food since he was a child in 1936 and is now over 80 years old. He can still run a full marathon in his 80s. Why choose Nutrilite? Origin of Nutrilite. First, let's learn about the history of Nutrilite. In 1915, Carl Rehnborg came to China and found from the Chinese eating habits that farmers who ate fresh vegetables and refined rice as staple food would not suffer from beriberi, which triggered his thinking. He believed that the nutrients needed by the human body should be found from natural foods. After returning to the United States, Carl Rehnborg developed the first product in 1934, which was a liquid vitamin and mineral nutritional supplement, and later changed it into tablets. His son Sam Rehnborg has eaten this nutritional food since he was a child in 1936 and is now over 80 years old. He can still run a full marathon in his 80s. The history of Nutrilite tells us that it is not a product of profit, but a brand created by Carl Rehnborg, the father of nutrients, for people's health. With his lifelong efforts, it has benefited the entire United States and the world. Based on this concept, Nutrilite has always strictly guaranteed its quality and source. Nutrilite's scientific research strength. For more than 80 years, Nutrilite has always been the nutritional food industry authoritative, which comes from its cutting-edge technology. Nutrilite has been exploring and researching plant nutrition for a long time and has always taken this as the brand's tradition and core advantage. The all-round scientific research on modern nutrition based on this has laid a solid scientific foundation for Nutrilite's leading position in the global nutrition and health field. Since 1953, Nutrilite has achieved many remarkable results in research on nutrition and plant nutrients and has obtained and pending more than 190 patents. In 1996, Nutrilite established the Nutrition and Health Research Center and established more than 30 research sites around the world, hiring more than 100 scientific researchers to conduct research in agronomy, plant extracts, nutrition, and clinical. The Nutrilite Quality Health Center is an important part of the Nutrilite Nutrition and Health Research Center. It integrates brand experience, nutrition science, health education, physical testing, and other functions. People can directly learn about Nutrilite product knowledge, history, and latest research and development results from the world's top scientists here. and consult experts to set up a personalized health plan suitable for themselves. In 2004, Amway Randy Center was established. According to the needs of the Chinese market, Amway Randy Center has created a complete new product development technology platform and X team, and is at the leading level in the industry in new technology research, formula design, product efficacy verification, clinical trials, etc. It can be said this national level scientific research institution is actually page number 9124. Why choose Nutrilite? The testing equipment, facilities, and personnel are at the same level as those of Tsinghua University, Peking University, and the certificates of achievement obtained are also legally binding and technically authoritative. At the national level, the Amway Research and Development Center has specially hired 2 world-class toxicologists to conduct toxicological research on nutritional foods, and there are no more than 10 experts in the world who have obtained such certification. You should know that health foods originally do not need toxicologists. Only drugs have this need, but in order to ensure product safety, Nutrilite has broken the industry convention and has become the industry leader. It can be seen that Nutrilite always puts safety first. Why is this so? As an authority in the nutritional food industry, Nutrilite has handed over its top most unprofessional people to sell, which determines that its product safety must be extreme, from product planting to raw materials, and then to finished products. All need to be safe again and again. Amway Plant Research and Development Center has more than 20 researchers, most of whom come from well-known scientific research institutions and abroad, such as the Chinese Academy of Sciences and Nanjing Agricultural University, and have practical experience in professional fields such as Chinese herbal medicine, soil, botany, and agronomy. They have profound theoretical literacy and many years of experience in. Not only that, Nutrilite has also conducted genetic research, what aspects of human genes will be improved after eating echinacea, and published the research results in the world's most authoritative publications. The research projects of Amway Plant Research and Development Center are the subjects of the country's 13th 5-year plan, and the Chinese herbal medicines here will also be the world's most cutting-edge, effective, and safest Chinese herbal medicine. Amway Plant Research and Development Center. Although Chinese herbal medicine and traditional Chinese medicine culture are extensive and profound, few companies are willing to invest heavily in this area. Amway has invested in a national-level plant research and development center in Wuxi. Wonder 4. Why choose Nutrilite? Function, not the function of the product. Nutrilite always uses higher standards than medicine to make health foods. The expert team is the best in the world and has obtained GMP certification. A large number of clinical trials have ensured that the products are safe and effective. After the verification of the 3rd level clinical trial, the product has indeed produced clinically visible changes, and there are relevant experimental data to prove it. This is the real product effect. There are also some products that cannot extract only the active ingredients and remove the toxic ingredients. It will be written in the adverse reactions, not yet clear, while Nutrilite's products will tell you that there are no adverse reactions and clinical effects after toxicology tests. This is the power of quality. For this reason, Nutrilite has cooperated with the Olympic Games for many years to ensure nutrition for Olympic athletes. It is extremely difficult to put the Olympic 5-ring logo on health food. First, 205 countries and members of the International Olympic Committee must agree. Second, the product must not contain stimulants, hormones, antibiotics, banned ingredients, etc. Finally, its quality must be more than 300 times higher than ordinary food. Only when all 3 points are met can it become a cooperative brand of the Olympics. And Nutrilite is just like that. In addition, health food and vitamin drugs in pharmacies are also different. Vitamin B1 and B2 in pharmacies are drugs, while Nutrilite's B vitamins are brewer's yeast, which is a real new food. So this is why we choose Nutrilite. It is a new food that can provide strong protection for our balanced nutrition. and is a rigid demand for our health. Key points of this section. Nutrilite is a healthy nutrient brand created by Carl Rehnborg, the father of nutrients, with his life's efforts which benefits people all over the United States and the world. Nutrilite has been exploring and researching plant nutrition for a long time. And based on this, it has launched a full range of scientific research on modern nutrition and has maintained a leading position in the global nutrition and health field. The research projects of Amway Plant Research and Development Center, all national level projects. The Nutrilite brand has been cooperating with the Olympic Games for many years, and its excellent quality is a strong guarantee for our health